I actually went back to my April favorites to see what all do I usually talk about, because it's been so long that I filmed a favorites video, even though I haven't skipped even 1 month till date. So yes, but the last two favorites I had to pre-film because the exams were going on at that time. So I have sort of forgotten, but hence I have picked up the things which I've used the most randomly. So this might not be in that order, or might not have the same categories like fashion, news. Do I ever talk about music? Now we will start with hair, that will be the same. So this has happened with me throughout my 11th and 12th grade. Do tell me if I'm the only one, because usually this happens, you think you're the only one but you're not. But I really want to know if I'm the only one or not. I don't wash my hair for 2 to 3 days, and there is buttloads of oil in my hair, the natural hair oils, because my hair is oily. But if I don't wash my hair for 4 to 5 days, so in the 5th, 6th days, it starts looking heavy and not that bad in the night. So in the night, I'm like, okay, my hair actually looks nice. Maybe the oils are doing something good, so I will not wash my hair tomorrow. And the next morning, it looks like crap. And I've already woken up so late that there's no time to wash my hair. That similar day is today. Before filming, I was just going to wash my hair, but I thought that it actually looks okay. It's fine, because yeah, I am lazy when it comes to washing my hair. But I know it doesn't look that great. So tell me, how many times has that happened with you, if that's happened? But I do have something that helps me to deal with such days now, and it's this Tangle teaser. Now I have seen a lot of British YouTubers use this, and it is quite expensive. It's 1,000 rupees, around 1,000 rupees for one brush. So of course, I mean, that's not the amount we spend on hair brushes here. So I was very skeptical before getting it, that do I actually need it? What if it doesn't work? And it actually does work. I'll show you. This is my hair. I have combed just a little bit. I have brushed just a little bit of this section. I haven't brushed here and here, and you might see the difference. So as the name suggests, it gets rid of your tangles. This will be amazing for girls with super curly hair, and if you get tangles all the time, try this. This actually works. Now I have naturally near to straight hair, so this doesn't do a lot of difference for me. But yes, for days when I haven't washed my hair since long and I brush it, it just makes them look even. Also, it usually claims that the hair fall is minimum to none. It hasn't been none for me. It has been minimum, even though I don't suffer from hair fall. Also, it's very important to have your hair tangle free before heating your hair, like either curling or straightening. And for videos, I have started to try straightening and curling my hair. So using this right before straightening or curling actually helps me a lot. So I have been using this a lot in May. Coming to makeup, I first want to address that quite a few did not like my lipstick in the last video and expressed it. I really appreciate that you expressed it, but I don't appreciate the manner, because some of you were like, please don't ever try this shade again, this doesn't suit you at all. Yes, I understand it's your opinion, but one of you really expressed it in a very subtle manner that you usually look better in a red lipstick. Yes, see, everything has ranks and priorities. Something will be better than the other, but that doesn't mean you will use that for the rest of your life. So sorry for those of you who didn't like it, but I am sort of going to continue using it because I like it, and so I'm gonna use it. So as you guys know, lip stuff is my favorite category in makeup. This month I have something really special. It's this lip gloss bar. It's by a brand called, and a friend of mine was in Singapore recently, and he bought me this. So I am not sure if we get it here. If we get it, you should definitely try it, because this is a tinted lip gloss and I have never had something so moisturizing on my lips before. So I have tried the Forest Essentials lip balm and the Neutrogena one, which most people use. I did try it for an entire year, but the problem with those is that once it is gone, like it goes in some time, right? It just makes my lips dry and my lips feel chapped when it's not on my lips. But with this, I apply it just once in the morning and for the entire day my lips stay hydrated, and that hasn't happened even with Forest Essentials. So this is really amazing. It works so well, and also the packaging is so cute. So if I can find it online, I'll link it below. In fashion favorites, I have this t-shirt itself. Now, what I love about this is the lively print. It's so amazing, and the second thing is it isn't a rubber print. So I don't have to take caution while ironing it or be worried that the istri wala will spoil it. It also has pre-rolled up sleeves and a very short v-neck. Also, it was so cheap. I got it from Reliance and it was priced at, I reckon, 250 to 49 to 50 rupees. But there was an offer that if you buy 3, you get each for 200. So I got this for 200 and I love it for the price. The second thing I have in fashion favorites is this pair of home socks. Now, some time ago I was at Mahabaleshwar with my family, so I got these from them and they are so cozy. They also have an anti-slip footbed. No, I guess footbed is that. No, probably footbed. Also, you can tie them like this and make them tight around your ankle, and these were just for rupees 250. When we were getting these, I told mom, if we get this at any brand like Forever 21, this would be for around 5.99 or 6.99. So she was like, do you know what, just get it. So yeah, I did use them there. I haven't come around to using them here, but I hope I get a chance to use them here in the winters or something. We'll see about that. Now, before we move on to random bits and pieces, let's just finish off with food because I think I've got quite a few nice random bits and pieces. I love dark chocolate a lot. Milk chocolate is not usually my cup of tea. I don't like dairy milk at all. So yeah, that's how much I love dark chocolate. And the same friend got me these chocolates. Now, if any of you know if we get this brand in India, in Mumbai, let me know because I love these. This is by a brand called Harrison. This is chocolate made from fresh cocoa. Anything fresh is 100 times better than anything with preservatives, and today I have felt it, I have seen it. This is the packaging. I'm going to be very careful. And it's super tasty. I'm getting goosebumps. If you're a dark chocolate lover, you have to get this, you have to try this. I love this. And any of my friends watching who like dark chocolate, don't even think about asking me to taste this. I am not sharing. Now this month's favorite category for me are the random bits and pieces. The first thing are these pair of glasses. Quite a few appreciated them on social media. I got them from Zara, and I usually get my glasses from a store which I've been going to since years. But when I saw these at Zara, I was like, I just want them. I have seen such glasses at Colaba, but then the thing is, the metal, if it's not very good, you shouldn't wear it daily because it can affect your skin. And I have weak eyes, so I have to wear glasses all the time because I don't wear lenses very often. So I thought that Zara's quality will definitely be skin friendly, and they were so cheap. They were just for 11.90 the frame, and my frames are usually never below 2000 rupees. So I thought that even if I use them for a year, they are paisa vasool, and I don't think I'll be using them just for a year. They're so beautiful. And my maid, she was commenting that baby ne thoda zyada bade chashme nahi pehne, and I was just laughing in my head. I'm like, yeah, but I like them. The second random thing is this tiny little table lamp. Now, no, not just because it's Pooh, it is really high technology. See, it lights up, and if you just press it down again, it lights off. It's so, and I have dropped it multiple times. It's still in shape. I got this from a store called Florida. It's a gifting store, so basically everything is around 49 rupees, 79 rupees, 149 rupees, you know, in that range. And the last super useful random bit is this. My school friends call this a very huge eye pill. Yes, that level of humor will always exist with your school friends however old you grow. So yes, after that there was a discussion about how did they know this is an eye pill. Have they seen one? So yeah, that will always stay there. This is actually an umbrella. So this has two covers, one hard plastic cover, one normal cloth cover. This is a 5-fold umbrella and it is quite small. I'll show you. So I actually bought this for mom because she wanted an umbrella which fits very easily in any bag. But this was super tiny for her, so I stole it from her. And I have been loving this. I actually broke this already in the first 15 days and I was like, why? It's so expensive, it has already broken. But it was easily fixable. There was just one screw which fell off of it. And I really like it because even this quality is quite good compared to the normal umbrella quality. It's very thick and super opaque. I'll be using this throughout the monsoons. I am so happy the monsoons are here. It's my favorite season and you know, I love the cold wind, the rains, I love everything, and also it's my birthday month. My birthday is on the 26th of June. I was actually gonna wait till 50 facts about me. I was gonna upload it soon, but you know what? I'm just so excited I'm gonna share it. And I'm not hinting at it because no, I don't expect anything from people. I'm just excited and that's all I want to share with you guys. So yes, it's just a few days left and till my 18th birthday I had lost excitement. I have never been excited for my birthdays till my last birthday. So yeah, I'm just excited. It just feels good. It feels different when so many people are wishing you and they're doing things for you, but even if they don't, it just feels nice because people wish you in a which way. So yeah, I love that feeling and I love the monsoons because on my every birthday monsoons are here and I love the two feelings combined together. And I found this just cleaning up and this is how I looked when I was super small, maybe 2 years or 3 years old, I don't know. So yeah, I actually quite like this picture. It is one of my favorites. So I'm very excited about it. Yeah. So I do hope you enjoy this May favorite and I'll see you very soon in the next video. And yeah, goodbye.